You are needing to get some quick cleaning done. Turn this video on. You have 15 minutes and you'll be surprised with how much you actually can get done around your house. I hope you get lots of motivation from today's video, and let's go ahead and get to cleaning.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night.
Setting that timer to get some cleaning done is always so helpful for me because it makes me want to see how much I can actually get accomplished in that time. And it also helps me to know, okay, I blocked out 15 minutes of cleaning time or 20 or 30 minutes. Let's see how much I can get done. And then I'm going to walk away, and there's an airplane. I'm so sorry. Then we're going to walk away and we can save the mess for another time. Or sometimes if I'm feeling extra motivated from that timer, I can go ahead and push through and get more cleaning done. But I feel like by doing that, I kind of am able to push myself to get more cleaning done in that time and see how much I can get done, and I find it very helpful. I tend to do this a lot at nights as well, seeing how fast I can get it done. And that's more just like timing myself to see how fast I can get it done, to be able to have some free time and not have to worry about cleaning. I can just kind of relax. So that's kind of what me and my husband do after the kids go to bed at night. But during the day, I like to do multiple of these little resets. I usually do one in the morning, about 15 minutes, and then usually it'll be like during nap time or right before nap time, before lunch. That way, nap time, I can do whatever I need to, things like that. So it kind of just depends on what I'm feeling, but I feel like the timer really, really does help. So I hope you're able to get a ton done if you're cleaning along with me today, and just seeing how much you can actually get done in those 15 minutes.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got.
I needed to go ahead and get rid of some of the leftovers that I had in the refrigerator. So that was on my to-do list for the day as well, because we were getting ready to go grocery shopping. So that's what I was doing. And then of course I had to clean all the appliances because the kiddos are always touching and getting little fingerprints all over them, especially getting this new fridge. They just stick out so much, all of those little fingerprints. So I have to clean this a lot more than what I typically do, but I feel like it's actually probably good because I probably wasn't cleaning my refrigerator on the outside as much as I honestly should have. But I honestly left a lot of these clips in pretty close to real time just so you could get like a feel of what actually I'm able to get accomplished in that time. I did speed up some of it, but for the most part, it's all in pretty realistic time. So just know you can get quite a bit done if you just set your mind to it and just fully get it done. And I will say, I did kind of have to stop here and there because the kiddos were awake. And as you saw, Wasey didn't want to leave the refrigerator, so I had to pick him up and move him. So there was little things, but for the most part, I was able to get quite a bit done in that 15, 20 minutes, 25 minutes that I actually was cleaning and filming this.
Show me light, show me love, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love, show me light, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. Show me light, show me love. This is all we got. 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 Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So as you can see, I have spent the majority of the time focusing here in the kitchen, and that's really where the mess was in my house on this day. We had some mess in the dining room just from lunch that I got picked up, and then we were mainly focusing here on the kitchen. I needed to load the dishwasher. I needed to tackle the old food that was in the refrigerator, all that kind of stuff. I do go into the living room and kind of pick up, but for the most part, I really was trying to just get this space picked up and cleaned because that is what was really overwhelming me and what was really the dirtiest space in the house. So I feel like that's a good place to start too if you are wanting to time yourself and just see how much you can get done in that short time. Start with what is really driving you crazy in the mess, whether that is, it's just out of control dirty, or maybe it's just the most overwhelming part because it is a lot. So you want to start there. I know some people, they like to start with like the easier chore because then it kind of motivates them to keep going. I feel like it kind of depends for me. Today, I knew I really wanted to focus on the kitchen, so that's where I wanted to start as well. And it can stay clean longer than the living room. And so I was like, let's get this cleaned and then I can clean the living room. And as you can see later, I was cleaning the living room and the kids were already taking the toys out, but that's totally fine and okay. I was just trying to get like things back in order, get the laundry folded that needed done, and then we can go back and play. I totally don't mind, but I just kind of wanted a little bit of a reset so things weren't getting out of hand.
Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Like them.
I am just about done cleaning here in the kitchen. I wanted to run the little disposal, like lemon drop things, into the disposal because it was starting to smell. So I'm going ahead and doing that really quick. I really need to take the top part off and really clean it, but it kind of grosses me out. So I don't do it as much as I should, honestly, but it was kind of starting to smell. So I was like, I'll at least do that to kind of freshen it up. So it gives just a little bit more of like a lemon scent than kind of a gross scent. And then I did need to go and tackle this bottom cabinet area. The kids were playing in here, making things, pretending they were cooking, adding, the pots and pans out, all of that. So I needed to get that cleaned up as well. And then we'll pretty much be done here in the kitchen. And then we're going to move on into the living room and get that cleaned up.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves in this filling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. All that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, we do not, all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not have, we do not. Yesterday we could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other, but now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around.
I am just finishing up with these toys right here, and then that's going to be it for this 15-minute reset. I hope you're able to get lots of motivation from today's cleaning, and whether or not you are cleaning along with me or not, you can get up and set that timer and get as much cleaning as you can done in that time. I hope you're able to. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, any video request or anything like that, and I will see you guys all very soon here in my next one. Bye.
Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing our